As we all know that video increases engagement, so there are types of video you can use to market your business. Number one, storytelling video. Storytelling video tell people how you want to help them. It involves showing the problem, sharing the solution, and describing how your products and services create solution to that problem. Number two, informational video. Informational video is all about educating people on how to get things done. Then the third one is demonstration video. Demonstration video show people how to do it. That's do it yourself video. You demonstrate how it's done and you can tell people that want to learn more to contact you. And finally is testimonial video. Testimonial video talks about the proof of results. That's the results at the end of your services, those that have used your product or those that have satisfaction with your services. In summary, you have storytelling video that talks about what you do and how you want to help people to do it. Number two, informational video that educates people on how you do it. Then demonstration video that show people how you do it, and testimonial video that show proof of results or those that have used your product that tells people how it's being used. Thank you. Stay tuned next time for another informative and educative video. I am Olabode Adediya.